people say, why do you use Bridges and Comet? Why don't you just run these on your university cluster? And I say, well, we don't have a university cluster, and there's tons of universities who don't have a university cluster. So Chem Compute is a website or a science gateway, and our goal is to allow students to calculate properties of molecules using supercomputers. I'm a teacher at heart, and so we're trying to teach students about molecules, and all the things we can teach them, they can actually calculate on a computer. For computers, they each had 4 cores, so I had 16 cores to work with, and that was fine for like 20 students. But then I just opened it to the world, and all of a sudden people started like running simulations on them, and they were overheating, and it was just noisy, and it was terrible. And so that's when I had to apply to Exceed. I was like, help, can I have some actual resources to run these calculations on? And so these calculations that the students run are actually commonly run by some universities who have the capabilities to do them. And so their students have access to this. I think that our students and other students should have access to this as well. Both my parents were teachers, and so I just really like helping the students. When I was little, I would help my dad teach summer school because instead of going to daycare, I just come with them to summer school and teach with them. So I've just been teaching always. I think that's important to train people to be smarter